Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger fender. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket set, a Phillips head screwdriver, and plastic trim removal tools. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off. For your safety, it's crucial to disconnect the negative terminal of your battery before you begin any work on the vehicle's electrical components. This prevents accidental shorts. Next, you'll need to locate and remove all the bolts that secure the fender to the vehicle's body. These are typically found along the top edge, inside the wheel well, and near the door hinge area. Use your socket wrench for these. Then, carefully detach any plastic clips or push pins holding the fender liner in place, often requiring a trim removal tool. Double-check for any hidden fasteners along the door jamb or under the hood. Once all visible fasteners are removed, gently pull the fender away from the vehicle to ensure no hidden bolts or clips remain. You might find electrical connectors for side marker lights or turn signals that need to be carefully unplugged. It's a good idea to have a friend or helper support the fender at this stage, as it can be awkward to handle alone. This prevents accidental damage to the paint or the fender itself. With all connections and fasteners detached, you can now carefully lift the fender completely clear of the vehicle. Be mindful not to scratch adjacent body panels during removal. Take a moment to inspect the mounting points on the vehicle for any signs of damage, rust, or corrosion that might need addressing. If you're installing a new fender, cleaning the area thoroughly beforehand will ensure a better fit and finish. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.